Hi, today we'll be unboxing and showcasing the features on the XFX Pro Series 1050 watts power supply. This is the box. The power supply itself is 80 plus gold certified, is SLI ready and crossfire ready with a full modular active PFC feature. Now it's a hybrid fan controller, which means it's when hybrid mode is activated, allows you the fan to stay off when the computer is in idle, and then it turns on automatically when the PSU needs it. Alright, a great feature is the fact that it's 80 plus gold certified, which means that this PSU has a power efficiency of up to 90%. Okay, it has a true wattage warranty, which is good. It is modular, so you only use the cables you need to use, and it has these high quality Japanese brand capacitors that are rated to withstand up to 105 centigrades. It comes with a 5-year warranty, which is always good. Now let's take it out of the factory packaging, of the factory box. Okay, we see the packaging. It's really good. Has a space between the cables and the actual power supply. Comes shielded on this bag, anti-static bag. So we have here some screws, cables. It's modular, so you have cables for everything, and there's like 5 or 6 PCI Express cables for your SLI or crossfire. The power cable, the power supply itself right here, protected by this bag. Let's take it out. Here it is, the XFX 1050 watts Pro Series power supply. It has a really sleek design, stealthy almost, matte black with white accents here. The connections for the modular cables, the on-off switch, the power connector, the AC power connector. Let's see what's in this box. It says XFX Pro Series power supply unit. Let's open it up. All the cables. You're not gonna need all of these cables. You just use the ones you need. 4-pin PCI Express, PCI, all of those. Okay, let's keep this for later. Let's take a closer look at the power supply. That's the massive fan on top. The mesh, you can see through it some of the components. It's a good looking power supply, and all the cables. Oh, of course, the user's manual. And again, this is with Japanese capacitors and 80 plus gold certification, so you should be set. So that was the XFX piece